everyone, welcome to this week's Snack Attack. And man, am I excited about this one because it is my lunchtime and I am starving. So this week we're all about pizza in a mug. Yes, so grab your favorite mug and let's get snacking. Today's ingredients are salt, flour, baking soda, baking powder, milk, whatever you have in the fridge, your choice of oil, olive, coconut, it's all good, and your choice of tomato sauce. You'll also want your toppings like mozzarella cheese, fresh herbs, or whatever you have in your pantry, pepperoni, and of course your mug and a tablespoon. Okay, first we're going to start with our dry ingredients, and we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of flour, next we're going to use just a pinch of baking soda, there we go, that's good. And now a pinch of our baking powder. And lastly, we need just a pinch of salt. Now you probably want to find a spoon and you're going to stir all of these dry ingredients together, making sure that everything is well incorporated. Now it's time to move on to the wet ingredients. You're going to need your milk and your oil. And you are going to be pouring these right onto the dry ingredients in your mug. So for the milk, start with 3 tablespoons of milk. And now you need just 1 tablespoon of oil. Now grab a knife to start mixing all of the ingredients together. You want to make sure that you're getting all of the ingredients scraped off the edge and that everything is coming together and mixed up. You don't want any bits of flour left in the corners. Next, you want to grab a spoon and work the surface so it's nice and flat so that you can put your pizza toppings on. Grab your pizza sauce and layer that over the top, roughly about 1.5 tablespoons, depending on how much sauce you like on your pizza. Then go ahead and spread the sauce evenly around. Next, grab your cheese. We're using mozzarella, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Sprinkle that over the top. Keep in mind how much cheese you're using as to your time you're going to spend microwaving. Then add oregano or Italian seasoning or whatever you would like onto the top of the cheese. Okay, so now we have all our pizza ingredients all together in our mugs, and now it's time to take it to the microwave where we are going to cook our pizza for 1 minute. Carefully remove your mug from the microwave and add the pepperoni pieces on top if you want pepperoni. Microwave this for another 10 to 20 seconds. At this point, your pizza is looking nice and melty and delicious, and it smells like pizza. Be sure that you keep checking that your dough is cooked. So you might want to keep microwaving at 15 to 20 second increments, checking your dough and checking that your cheese is melted and how you like it. Once it's set, it's going to be hot, but you can now add any extra fixings that you want to. I'm going to put a little bit more cheese on mine because I really like cheese. And I'm going to put some fresh basil because we grow basil at my house and I love it. So kind of margarita pizza-ish. And then you can kind of see it looks like pizza. So then go ahead, if you want to let it sit for a minute to cool off, that is probably not a bad idea. Otherwise, get in there for some cheesy goodness. Pizza in a mug, in a microwave. Amazing. Well, so good. Oh, this is going to be such a good lunch. Oh, man. So, enjoy your pizza. Put whatever toppings you want. Make it yours. Make it as awesome as you are. Thank you so much for watching this week's Snack Attack, and we'll see you next week. Bye, everybody.